Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Mindset Podcast. I'm Jane here. I am very happy you are here today. This podcast is a safe place to learn English slowly and to feel confident step by step. Please relax. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen. Your English is growing even when you feel it is slow. Today, we will talk about something very important for English learners. If you want to speak English more easily, you need to stop doing one thing. You need to stop translating in your head. Many learners do this. Maybe you do this too, and that is okay. You are not wrong. You are not bad at English. You just learned English in a hard way. Today, I will help you learn a better way. What does translating in your head mean? Let me explain. When you want to speak English, what do you do first? You think in your own language. Then you change those words into English. Then you check grammar. Then you check vocabulary. Then you think about pronunciation. Then you speak. This is a lot of work. Your brain becomes tired. Speaking becomes slow. You feel nervous. Now let me ask you something. Do you do this when you speak your own language? No, you just speak. You do not think about rules. You do not think about grammar. The words just come out. That is natural speaking. Why translating is a problem? Translating is not natural. It adds an extra step. This extra step makes you slow, confused, tired, less confident. Also, some words in your language do not exist in English. Some grammar rules are very different. So, translation can be wrong. This can make you feel frustrated. But I want you to remember this. This is not your fault. Most people learned English this way in school. 1 hour of English, then back to your own language. English stayed in a box. That is why English feels hard. Why English does not feel natural. When you learned your first language, your whole world was in that language. Your parents spoke it, your friends spoke it, TV, radio, school, life, everything. You heard it every day. That is why your language feels easy. English does not feel easy because English is not yet part of your life, but this can change. Now I want to share a very important idea. Fake it till you make it. This means pretend first, and slowly it becomes real. I want you to pretend you are a native English speaker. Not perfect, just normal. What does a native English speaker do every day? Let's look at daily life. When a native English speaker wakes up, their phone is in English. So you can change your phone language to English. At first, it feels strange. That is okay. After a few days, it feels normal. When they check messages, they read English. When they open apps, they see English. Your brain starts to see English as normal. When they brush their teeth, maybe they listen to English, a YouTube video, a short podcast, a song. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen. Your brain is learning. Do you like cooking? Read recipes in English. Do you like shopping? Look at product names in English. Do you like writing notes? Write them in English. Small things matter. Do you travel by bus or train? Do you scroll on your phone? You can change this. Read simple English news. Watch short English videos. Listen to English podcasts. You're not adding time. You are replacing language. Time is not the problem. Many people say, I don't have time to learn English. But this is not true. You already have time. You eat, you travel, you relax. You just change the language, that is all. And now let's talk about speaking. Listening is important. Reading is important. But speaking is also important. If you do not speak, English stays inside your head. If you do not have a partner, speak to yourself. This is not strange. This is practice. You can say simple sentences. I am making coffee. I am tired. I need to study. Say them slowly. Say them again. Your brain learns through repetition. You do not need to think in full sentences. Start small. Think in words. Coffee, bus, work, happy, tired. This is thinking in English. Later, your words become sentences. Let me ask you a question. What is fluency? Many people think fluency means perfection. No. Fluency means you can express ideas. English does not stop you. Fluency is flow. Think about breathing. Most of the time, you do not think about breathing, but when your nose is blocked, you think about it. Translation is like a blocked nose. Thinking in English clears the way. Now I want you to do something today or tomorrow. Take 5 or 10 minutes, make a list. Write things you do every day. For example, phone, music, cooking, notes, calendar. Now ask, how can I do this in English? Just one small change for each. Be patient with yourself. Do not do this for 1 week. Do it for 1 month, then 2, then 3. Slow change is real change one day. You will notice something. You speak English, and you are not translating. That is progress. That is fluency. You are not bad at English. You are learning. You are trying. That is enough. Be kind to yourself. Trust the process. Thank you so much for listening to the English Mindset Podcast. My name is Jane. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, English is becoming part of your life. See you in the next episode.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.